Episode for high GC News, Mima Ubibia Aquaba, Hadia latest hot Eramini Bremo. And subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. Gabby say over click a year the subscribe button. Now wabele notification. We had a video for free be upload when the first person what's Ebeka a year sa video. I feel we are now like video no give us a thumbs up now fee. Share my or for so that when you be here now and some to do another so ewo Ghana memoanum afi tentemo imbura ye semwa abeto yepuno so mumayiti sa report ya ababetu mumayiti asemi.
The national security operatives and the law enforcement agencies, the information I got this morning is that already they've traced about 40 of them to a particular terminal or warehouse in Pung, which belongs to an Indian man of extraction. The briefing I got this morning, and let me comment, the national security operatives and the law enforcement agencies.
Yes. Said they have not changed their modus operandi. Yes. The same taxes. See, they think that superior Ghanaians.
We don't go sit down with the Jesus.
Okay, next topic.
They think we will sit down with the Jesus every day.
I'm not John Jina partner Wakasa. Yet is containers bro. Kwabe 1,003. Ayra. Oh, ECG containers. Bear close to 1,003 Ayra. But honorable Jina Pose area or say Oma Atra Kenya 40. India ni bi no motomano or matching open. But on my video in a yambra discussion.
The briefing I got this morning, and let me comment, the national security operatives and the law enforcement agencies. The information I got this morning is that already they've traced about 40 of them to a particular terminal or warehouse in Pung, which belongs to an Indian man of extraction. And they've confiscated all the 40 cars, and they are moving them to a secured location. The man indicates that those containers were sold to him last year, and so that's a subject of a matter of investigation, and the law enforcement agencies would ensure that the law takes its course. There are also reports of some other areas that they are picking intelligence. They will trace all of them, retrieve all the containers as soon as possible, and put the perpetrators before the courts of competent jurisdiction. Let me just sound that when we start prosecuting these people, let nobody come to say we are witch hunting. These are properties of the states. Every legitimate and legal means to ensure that we retrieve them and to hold all those behind these acts to account. And so we'll continue to work hard and ensure that we retrieve all these containers. Picked up this Indian in connection with this. The briefing I got this morning, and let me comment.
Discussion Peter. Oh, Mahabo. Say we a deputy CEO. Oh, Mahabo. Simple. So I said, Rebecca say containers, ECG containers, Ajira, Edia Fritema.
Miniaba, she out of who said, "O man, I one up." My main casse. Senkayansa san by pa kaya woo. Me say the rot and the mess and the thievery across every sector. No, so my Ghana for. Yansrunya me pa ni ama kokubon sam keka yakoma na ke sakoto obama NPP a nka samre ye na ya obituary wa man nke ye funeral because the mess at the port no and sometimes some of the sectors no aya ne time ade we ya ye ka ho asem no Ghana fom ebio mama min chebu ye enya ade a eya ndc aban ba ye ya na ade ayiro
okay
me pa mo chomu ntie hiye enya ade a ndc ba ye ene yakọ containers e port yes ayira transition period ana omoma ye tiase say there are some ECG imported things be items be containers about 3,000 plus and a what am the kosher transition mutieni you na after transition Afenyo president ebe appow ne ministers any ade or appointing ministers and minister of energy eba ye John Jinapo and in penny 4 years say ye be start your investigation. Okay, mo say containers be say 3,000 and among the makra what and nyama say anyway. Even at the earlier stages, no, we were questioning the content of the container, why they made such purchase, what was the use of those items, whether we and nyama almost see I think 10 years time, I'm going import it. And ECG is about 10 years time. Yes, and those aspects will come later. Value for money issues will come later. But the issue has now containers saying and I'm also in what transition and as a see containers saying and a war yard why
okay.
And now or come investigation and you say about 1,003 of the containers said you must take on any one of inventory because ya transition at the amount paper so no ya throw say it is say ya throw paper so the amount see ya mommy yanko yanko kind and say a yankrana and na you don't upon the team ya take stock on an inventory of the items ya containers no 1,003 of them Yamutu Ayra. Okay, NPP before 6 excavators. Oh, Kruma. That's a 500 excavators. You can now excavators now then 2. And this are containers here. Okay. And a committee no share your movie no. I didn't read 1,003 Ayra. 1,003 na Ayra and Ghana for Mr. Tiwa. And yes, sir, ya taking over from government and as 1,003 Ayra. NPP time of management and as 1,003 naira. And tienne ye tracing their information ye putting eyes on the ground sir. Ye tracking wherever sir containers no fire. And it's an tibi. Now in the video he confessed. Nipana our 40 containers no as it auto dabai last year. Yes. Auto
before or after election.
After election, there's no more Yama Kroma Papa.
After election,
MPP for after election, that is they did a sickening. And nothing that we are using a system to sanitize the system. The Biana Ghana for you to me deny now so brane, Yakoyanim. Messini Pana confirmation or Twadiana last year.
After
elections, entity Senipana Twadiano. Last year, it is the same people. And now, among Kofoni be Omunya of the issue, and almost that and almost I confirm normally was so your friend saying containers fly. They should wait for the full investigation into where all those 1,003 containers went to, who gave it out. Or who sold them out. Now prosecution will start. In fact, on this case, baby, ye tall container no. Baby, ye tall container no. Nipa or tall container no. Nipa or tall container ni no. Emrani omobedi. Enyama ewom ni emrani omobedi. Sa nyama baby akwa di Cecilia no ni emrani omobedi. Sa create loot and share agenda no. This is the highest of it.
Peter, say ya unim container no transition period na ya ma figure na 3,000.
Yes.
Then later no energy minister be who say almost 2,500. But 2,500 say kwe ka no aka
1,003.
So it's 1,003
naira yes.
It's aka 1,002. But in documentation krata mu ni de e kire say omu ECG e import ayi omu ne ma 3,000.
Yes. Oma kotrogu krata mu. It is a Ciano, a tracking a year. You prefer the beer MPP for the sack containers now, coaches be a Virginia.
Peter,
me tipa.
Me baha na imbetum rantie no na mebu sena mokasa ya na manage.
Okay.
Manage pa me de wawa me honda me kofi an maka chere me.
Okay.
Ghana wo future. yen ye pay yen dues. Ye see kwanso. Bible no Saudi 70 ya ne aka no.
Fantastic. Extra time.
Bonus. Bana mbeto wom no mo. Divine by ya wakare ni you say. Na masre. Tio, awe ho. Say. Mona dachi ni hwa mo ba bisi anan. Nti me ni amoye na emede papa. Na mum kai hu se enye NPP nku. MDC abai wam hand over sa problems e wo. Mum mayen fa Ghana mum.
Yes.
Instead of NDC.
Of course.
NPP. Na ni ayen mu bi enhu. Me I share with mu.
Yeah.
Krono a ekoso yi nyina no enye NPP nko sebe. NDC form so ye. Tinken to ye mbo. Na se na mu hwehwe mu yi. Na mu ngina ho saa. Na se aban NDC ni make sure say man hwe ya 12 years kwa na e man am so enye hwe Ghana for say 88. Ye beto ye mbo. Na mu momoden a mu ka say na makasa atchere muhu.
Of course.
Se ni ayeye.
Of course.
Mo hwe ni anhwe ase. Se na be ya daachi bi no aban bi ba mo betumi aka kire ni ayeye ye e de ato ho amanchiri.
Of course.
Mo hu ni ayeye NPP for.
Yeah.
Yen so se yanhwe ye ni ekoye sa nso na ye be kasa fa ye hu. Na nansa omampanyi e kan say ni minister bia obefa wadwuma say go mine no ono e wa semka e me depa so betumi agina sa asemi so na ni ministers etumi aye nia e be different from their NPP ministers. I was one of the people I say me can say Nanaju will go down in our history as the worst president Ghana has ever had and the most corrupt. I stand by what I said. So I say enunti se mishia mo ana mo kan mani age.
Okay.
Mo mayen fasa kwan we so
but Peter,
so let me
Peter me here I a bit disappointed.
Okay.
Because say NPP arini. Na say after election wetimi at NDC wetimi at na Ghana ha. Ama containers 1003 anjira yetimi atunto konte de muka say India ni yechi nui. Yechi India ni say o say after election any a ton man na say NDC more after election mu lusu guide pa ma say
that obaba won't take you over. Port honum no. Omongo fon kwane wo. You have not changed. And only when the president holds the swearing in moment and they are finally sending some we not 2 minutes one is someone
but NPP anya sao
you entity and appointing authorities na ebeshe in some penfo no mo hye ahanu ho no nyina at the port obia no obia that's war until say president be appointing new members to even go there. And even as we speak, it is not all the people when we appointment of people to various agencies, institutions are still ongoing. And government is a process. You don't just get up and do everything once at a go. You can't do that. So what I say, so what I say, it's just abuse of power, wickedness, and just like lawyer you were saying, President Mama only yakosha kukuom ni yakasa. And your ministers and one on your magazine, CEOs, deputy CEOs, every appointment of President Mahama has been cautioned because President Mama no Anna even another foreign public or what that track record of prosecuting his own. Yes, until no ne sekana esikanu fanu what we am for ma wani so de ye amount na hwe na ye ni yie na didi mmom sa odon samienu ekwakobom na mara na tewa mara ni obedi enti sa ye hu we ni asese hu so obi abode ses ya no adan what's nsuo den asudi ho edia points no ye to ho fo
okay
na ye de enhyehyɛ no egu akwamu but de we no ma ye ne de no kwasem ne Ghana fo monhwɛ the bia containers na fa bia no said ye ne ye ndro achi ne ya ne ya che be 40 no de aka nyina be chia ma Ghana fo na mo hwe kyire no so ye be ma mra ne wona di
unim meba divine so but quick one unim Peter enkofon so bi dwen say said ye a free 3,000 letter no per document bi so che say 2,500 kwa I say 2,500 ni nyina akora ne buy
it is from investigation still I don't go and we are trying to track and this one just look at those quick one this within a short moment any aquaculture 40 containers that means wherever the rest na gonna ever connecting in ever
okay divine
Peter now okay no me papa say broni adwuma ban adwuma ye didi hu ye ndim
thank you and one year football
divine patch brem why
unim sa same way ne kai some way unim dedi kai unim say almost set a trap ma ora janjinapo and what tomu trap no almost set a man no dedi kai the transition no time no more no information no the man no na accurate information and in follow ups no na ma really eniama atosin system ni mu na the communication gap na ora jonjina pode ba eni mu na no na ma NPP for na take advantage na me nya Peter ka say NPP for na omu ni mu no they know what they are doing. They know. Because they know. I didn't know they are just being mischievous. It's deliberate, sir. Omu pese omu ntumfu tro. Mimi wa honu na kofo frame say omu say nditi for balance ya omu ko wiewia containers ni amaniama. And they know say sanya asem ne kono. Unim say endra tamwa and then samuti anum na mo discuss asem we buy no. NPP for have emergency national committee meeting to discuss how the party is becoming unpopular.
Okay, and then 3 days and
no more discuss no emergency meeting because for party head officer. NPP is becoming unpopular and unattractive to the youth. So and some of these things in here, sa corruption ya manwa. When him say press conference na Attorney General here no as ama abutuom like as amom abubuom so that meeting no say containers we no they just wanted to equalize and quickly no throw out into the air say NDC for buy na 2,000 something like that.
And sister Okumase o si o tie Kumasi station e dey na si ne say NDC buy o ma wia containers brought 1,000.
Because also John Jinapoba na okase something is missing. No one church asemu yi no. So onu mom no pese excuse me. Onu mom no pese Ghana for ehu no kra e wa asemu no mu say ade na fine. Wonim say ade ba ku bie so e wo sa ade mu say yen Ghana for yete honum bibia na de abra say taxes ayentua tariffs ayentua bibia see en boy aboso. Meanwhile, no, abaimu penyifo ne nkrofo mu abaimu esom do mu kate omu lifestyle no that prof legacy no esom twa so na ye Ghana for ho to he no omu do mu si omu njai. And to look at these things so when so mu connive here this thing no enye just about some ECG staff will be keke whole cartel because me no ka say sa contain series one enye chocolate and you golden 3 chocolate now they show to come so the command girlfriend and your containers are emu eduro and now him say before I dey be port no customs for wo mu national security for wo mu military wo mu police for wo mu say institutions no and how to mean clear ECG ankasa no mo order ade no
board chairman sukra nka
to me but you know say dey we be jira no do you know what they did unim say what has come to the fore and say Sana state institutions where some of them no when they are making their requisitions no more orders outside no more koji private even saying individuals of Osika no more kwakoye orders no say na be ya omuniama ne ba make clear as part of government concession no niama no no yes
what's the day
me say say aban no omo requisitions omo ye for state institutions no niama so omo hia niama so ECG for some of these institutions no omo ba be yom orders are na omo ni private people no so akonaive na omo de omo de akwa shem. So at the end of the day, no, it is the same with the ghost names, no. Do you know what happens? The real people know my year Juma no. Ube who say ye ntiyomuka na ghost for the ntiyomuka that because into him says scan baba no. Jankasa ECG for the call clear and nyama ye ECG jankasa de no. Na private people they are call clear omo de no mo de kofi na ECG for de to because in say ba be yam omo.
Okay.
Pese meka Jinapo minimum no. Ba matisa oyade pa.
Okay.
Oh serious.
Matisa oyade pa minimum. Nti moko amon kan chere say onto asosa ma onchi akwa monzisa.
Of course. Of course.
That's lawyer. That's pa. Yeah, that's lawyer. That's pa. Divine yanko.
Le woman no bogala we boy yi ba ko. Be bobuga ba ko. Oh no bobuga.
NPP ni
what you say? Someday be me tie no my appointment no obona ba so some of the appointments no me so obona ba so one day be madam moment so TV am hwe TV tra ni buafu that appointment ya mo ye say
na ora na because
okay divine ya na yanko why na
oh who dey do me so happen here ko
kasa se me se kasa enye yanko me se kasa Divine kasa ni enkosa na meka no
enti the maker dey say all these things we no nyina no ye ketahye ne proye ne krono a e course wo SO government na ma have you ever sat down to ask yourself senti imagine pass ye to aba na NPP for breaking it and ka wo just on my way then pan and kdc. Have you asked yourself that question? Say, imagine pass here to about way. Say, them breaking 8 in no. This was the agenda. I didn't come with the new.
Because a near man, bonini
doso. I'm going to be now imagine, say, Nita. It's honomu. Na Nita. Okon account to moi. Kakrakani in an account to call me 25 Ghana cedis. Mimomo crowd is can do.
That's not the car.
Not the car 863 million Ghana cedis. Overdraft.
No.
Ako individuals pocket to obako jisika no bank e dey come kotoku. It's all of these things ring na once ECG ade we ayeken. And me buy me say Indian man bi ye kwakwa nya mu 40 ato a ye ba be che no.
Yeah.
That che na ese be you know. I'm hoping say you be track obibia. And me biggest concern no civil servants, the public servants no. You know sometimes the political appointees in the initial bebreu. Obekomu no na customs any boys be on more port one ni security national security for boys be enti omudin obi ahu omu enti omudin no omu no mo fa achire e no makobu di sa adwiri yi ne keta hyehyɛ yo.
No. In this case the divine no wonya adwin. ECG Containers. ECG our managing director. ECG our board. So you think say after election no yeah NDC and take you over no customs for be ni boys bi wo hono na civil servant for bi ebetimi ayesa
na isi person me say ECG for na nkasa no sa containers na mo order niama no na yesi niama 3000 4000 a mo to me give you proper stock of a niama na wo container ni mu no wan kasa kra na mu nyo werem
until kra ni start free say transition period omo ma figure 3000 then later energy minister be hu say 2500 then to chase even but ECG account document mu nyina na say 3000 container $500,000 sa 3000 ya na enye 3000 2 times just 500 containers sika bia di kan afa ba bi no
and na pese me cho say
ansa na we no so ho asem no and then me dey me hunu ni say this is not the first time mo yes adi what me say ECG containers no o mo import baba bada etom.
Oh, say na me pese me cho say eniama na omo de ba no bebre onum a na street light ya omo to me buy say the 30,000 abai obe kona di nyina agu ayi okanshi stores mu a ye de ye business agu go for shops mu because ya diverting no it's the same thing hwɛ unim se containers na ngasa no mu ka so mu tie ginapo account na inventory no person mu specific items na mu order your container ni mu no enkofo no tumi nkyere de o meka ne so ma generalize no o si o transformers ebsc meanwhile they were hoping say comment say containers 1,000 say na wom ne dodo say na wom enye omo na ba ya after transition no they came and then they informed us not to know him ECG cry to me craniama edeba no ahye da ma the mortgage ache no no we are ya auction no obi akwakoto na sa ni pa akoda san so aba beton ma ECG $4 no matter aye nipa na omayomoji say omayomoji say omo begu oman no abo oman ne kro no NPP fo no sa ne omo yes omaje oman no sa intermediate asem we NDC fo so mu omo asem ka na omo church asem ni mu ye because see answer na NDC fo na so NPP fo so asem ni mu a omo di chi basabasa na omo ye no no
report ni be pie
by inja communication into hono unim say that small gap na ebeda mu no no omo gina so a omo di sign ya ma no enti no media me sima mu njai say be ya Ginapo every day bi o asem we abai onye ho press conference oman kofo hu stater ya ba be do because the people are misinformed ono up ti o imagine say the confident trickster ono we wia no mo abokro no no o ma teni asem no de aba beto NDC for so as if so mo na afa ade because omo hu o ma asem ka o ti ase because according to them no o be can say o so ko hu ye and all of us ade na yera and ono afa ade no meanwhile no so nim sa ade ni ho nti mo hwe no mo ka asem no mu yie na yentumi nya nya asem no puma sibre
Peter enra na me ni bobi edi sa nkomo
okay
so ahun sabe nya ne be kire minister dia obeye first day ade ne ba no kasa already onya committee ni report o kasa radio station and then wo kasa me hu ni say NSA 40 containers yi wakasa sa briefing you dey me on daily basis but Peter sanka minister it me your press conference and I will be at the end so and I dey at TV stations radio stations no obi ebiem will be a because so what can say Accra FM has a year you don't expect say Ghana ni be at Accra FM
that's true
and then the okay here what area you has say TV3 and you be an year day so but press conference there e be topic topic here and now we have adia chia obi anu obi efa obi ade ka ye be hu say containers ne ba da be ebrebe na containers ne ejiraye ebrebe na wo ye ma 3,000 later 2,000 constitute yeah is a committee ya because uchiremu wa ha na nipa kakra bi ate no wa chemu na nipa kakra bi ate na party communicator no akwata no I think say do be a communication no
you have a point about you see issues ni de enya banesa was say open but looking at the magnitude of the case no said you see can any misunderstanding any information how e be nyina ensi no you have to get time and get the information in concrete and sign our be full blown press conference
but also we who so we
wa dwen chere no
so uko social media so as say okay
wa dwen chere
the NPP for ne ede ayi your friends are feathers wings because of feathers as so container ni mu na etu me sister wo Kumasi o say there Kumasi stations there do omo ye no say NDC ba power less dey omo wi containers 1,003
so ma fidie kwachi pa me fa ma fidie so na makase Ghana ni bia wotie me sa containers na ayira no NPP fo mu be fra ban so no mu wi asa containers no ena NDC aban ya be ya hwehwemu ne hu sa 1,300 containers na ayira ene ya anyame adom ya kwakochi India ni bia wa confess wa kanokure se ampa NPP fo aton 40 of the containers at the man enti no kra ene ne say NPP aban wansa no mu be fra ban mu no mu wi a sa containers no eno ne kra no ene na yakwakochi India ni bia ono so aka no kra say yampa NPP 40 containers at the man enti sabio mu kro no na wo mu boy ya bo mu so no ana danko dada dress e de menua divine e ka se wo monimu pa na eye mischief ene propaganda ene wo mo pese wo mo ye enti bebe biara wotie me e wo self education so what is NPP ni bi ka se ana containers and this buy na ira eye hurodo hura na yansam ka che ne se oye trofo ene India ni na ya che no wo se NPP 440 ana de man last year and one more man na last year one and wa bemu MPP 4 and then wa bemu e di containers ayira ye ka ho asem no kura ne say MPP 4 na atom containers and then ya ba ye chi
na nya ni nyina na ba
na o ya me ba na ene no oba wa kasem a me say no etasum na menim say honorable minister ebedu no ho say ya ba hwe say ya be ye major press conference on this issue. Na all the facts no e dey put in the bed na Ghana phone nyina ehunu kura wo saade we mu said e be ya ekira obi nkogina hankase ade chia obi nkogina hankase na MPP fo munya me brasem a wo mo ye ya ansa na wo mu fire abam no ya ma Ghana phone nyina hunu se me say divine asam ya me kan ya am so aka to so no say MPP fo nya me ma anhu ye mobo pa na wo mu breki etu okrom ha wa enka samre mo ye nyina enka say Togo na ebi mbakwa akopese metna o se Benio se ukọ Burkina Faso na obi akwakopa me come tell say see a MPP for even one extra year at the kan ho enka kro no mo bobo ye say to because said the MPP for didi no enye omo nsan ko o wo mo nsane omo nai wo muti no mo di bubo mu tese what didn't was na MPP for yi on mine no mo dwene ho de
okay
na kan hu say what the okay sisi ya me de manu si
okay
na a whole nita a whole government agency 25 Ghana cedis na wo anopai wo ba kra wo fifie sikasa na adema wo ba ne one day wo ba anopa wo ko suku sikasa na adema wo ba no na a whole company sika ka wo company a bank company account mu aya 25 Ghana cedis eso na sa company no adeka 830 million
eslo uso
830 million Ghana cedis ha MPP for mo ya mama for o ma be bom man no na nhyira Kenya me say yaba na ye hihye niama enti se de ye si hihye niama na ye be sere Ghana for muni akina musua de na MPP for mo musua
nita maame we
Ghana wa hwe no
na unim say anda kesi an corruption aba bonten ne nansan nyina ye ono an ministry
of communication
asio na unim say say agency session ase a omukra no yenti omudin kra po na sa sika we ye bubo di
no na de ye beto
na imagine omo
na kanita de Ankandita de ayasa na wo yes 25 Ghana cedis
25 Ghana cedis
now no the cow over
25 Ghana cedis
yes
is that in cedis or dollars
25 Ghana cedis
okay $1.25
cedis
and I can so
and one more de 830 million 830 million what was aka we ato ho na sika wo account mu 25 onim say papa ya wono ko atofie mako 37 na ya tabiri o man sika na nipa ba ko kwabra ne one agency akoda no uwie ya 37 houses
na unim say utina wa sabi o sika omuwia ye nyina unim say o anya hunyansa say omo de bebie enwuma ama
material
unim say omo anya o madwi say omo de and you know because they don't even believe in the Ghanaian system no omo fa nya bibia ofa ba bibi wo Ghana say you ama Ghana anya ho fa so
na mabuna bresa
dia ya o mu kra ne say sasika ya omuwia no nyafu you ask yourself say into wia ne bebre sabi you then pa na wo di wia say
37 houses no we be twa nsa ba ko di ato ba kum wo twa uti di akoto ba kum wo twa 9 di akoto ba kum wo fuda ba kum o he na obeda ehfa
na we po adikin no na ka de okum bosom so de ne
no to be honest nyame anadi afofie pa ekofo ye yi omo fi abem na nka de beto man no oba na mama me nkofo ya baso onse me watemase pia
okay
na restructure na ye watemase pia no
okay
yenim se mepa Ghana fo nyina adehu ba bia ye ka to mo se ba bia no ba bia ye so ho eka ho but nyame adom my able CEO Mr. Suleiman Osman the leadership no you put nyama together you restructure nyama
me pe adwuma ho menya
one of our fantastic guys sir
Peter me se me pe adwuma ho menya
asamba nyabotre one of the fantastic guys Mr. Rashid Nuruddin your friend is one of our guys. They are really doing fantastic work there. Okay. Now what's me bo omabaso because very soon the shipyard one of the key agencies ruling up the 24-hour economy. Okay. Because we are going to run 3 shifts. That means you be creating more opportunity for the youth. That means you be raising more revenue for government. Now on minor say the president mama person reset on minor ya restructure on minor no on money to me jina brand said the NPP for best say woman to say hu niam ni bia ya na asefem abofono NPP for pa dey say nyame amaya nyo man kanye Obama menka enti no ma memmo madwuma for ba so mo ye adwuma pa ye mo ma ba so
na wa madwuma me se me pa adwuma wai
aba asamba nya botre ye wedding ko
we see you want me pa adwuma
ye wedding komo
me pa adwuma
esi a Peter pressure dan so no esi a no pressure eda Peter so no na mumi de mesra de se mu amu esi you see amu di post ni amanya appointment mu hwe ni what is say na na do time and me the video bi to me ya che say obi peduma disable girl bi o peduma see you bi agere no akonya mu afaya no oh yeah it's on record yeah we elas lazito se lazato na no cancer seven no to the extent say they were talking about some of the a lady with disability or compare juma just say na ninye na see you be ache no some NPP for year ka ho asem sia so all of these things no post no manya no munya careful
yo jafo we ni and somewhere about beto ye so because say so we subscribe to channel area bomodi say obe subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na we be here na wo and somewhere koso e wo Ghana me ha also betimi atchere wadwen afa ye nsem we nyina ho e wo comment box ni mo beti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.